Glass is everywhere, yet almost invisible to us. Around 300 BC, the Egyptians accidentally created something extraordinary to lay in: the first glass.
Only sand with silica content reaching up to 99% qualifies for glass production. And get it
From the quarry to the bag, every grain has earned its place. 5,000 tons arrive every week. Not one grain goes to waste.
Inside this furnace, temperatures reach 1,650 degrees Celsius, hotter than molten lava from an erupting volcano.
What was once ordinary sand is now liquid glass, a dense, glowing mass at the perfect temperature and viscosity. Before a single drop of glass is poured, engineers spend hours ensuring every dimension of the mold meets exact specifications.
Every valve and sensor in this line is synchronized to 1,000th of a second. That precision is...
This cooling process cannot be rushed. Glass cooled too quickly becomes brittle and weak.
Every single bottle is scanned in real time. No bottle passes this point without being fully examined. From a grain of sand to a pallet of thousands deep in less than 24 hours.
While bottle glass shaped the past, flat glass shapes the modern world, and this factory wastes absolutely nothing. This furnace never stops. It runs continuously, day and night, every day of the year.
Because glass is less dense than tin, it floats, and as it spreads naturally, it levels itself into a perfect...
This process rounds out the corners, refines the shape, and defines the edges with pin.
If the glass cracks in a spiderweb pattern, but does not shatter into dangerous pieces, it passes.
Every panel that leaves this facility has passed through fire, precision machinery, and rigorous testing to end. It is ready for the world.
From this single factory, glass travels to skyscrapers, hospitals, schools, and homes, becoming the...
Glass is one of the only materials on Earth that can be recycled endlessly without ever losing quality, clarity, or strength.
Every variable in this factory, temperature, pressure, speed, timing, is monitored and controlled from...
Behind every automated system, every robot, every sensor, there are people. The same material born from grains of sand now carries internet signals across continents, protects us in collisions.
Modern glass manufacturing is not just about scale, it is increasingly about responsibility.
A glass furnace cannot be turned off. Once lit, it runs continuously for years data, stopping.
Glass is harder than most metals, yet it shatters instantly. Why? This rapid cooling puts the outer surfaces into compression and the interior into tension, locking stress into the glass.
Laminated glass does not just resist breaking, it holds itself together even after it fails. Low emissivity coatings block infrared heat while letting visible light pass freely, reducing heating and cooling. Today, glass is not just a window, it is the wall itself. Pharmaceutical glass is held to standards far beyond ordinary glass because the contents of these vials will be injected directly into human bodies.
Every email you send, every video you watch, every message you receive travels as pulses of light through glass threads thinner than a strand of hair.
If glass has come this far in 2,000 years, where does it go next? Smart glass can switch from transparent to opaque on demand.
If glass has come this far in 2,000 years, where does it go next?
Every year, more than 60 million tons of silica sand are extracted specifically for glass production.
Seeds form when dissolved gases fail to escape the molten glass during the refining stage. Even one bubble can weaken the entire structure.
Every 5 to 10 years, a glass furnace must be shut down completely for what is called a cold repair, a full rebuild of its interior refractory lining.
The new refractory lining must be brought up to temperature gradually over several days. Too fast, and the thermal glass is made on every continent, but the methods, scale, and specializations vary dramatically.
The mega factory produces millions of identical pieces with machine precision. The artisan produces one.
The glass bottle is one of humanity's most important food preservation inventions. Unlike plastic, glass is completely chemically inert.
But glass is not only for gentle everyday use. Some glass is engineered to survive conditions that would destroy almost any other material. The material that makes glass is one of the most abundant on Earth, yet the specific type needed is becoming increasingly scarce.
While the mega factory refines what we know, laboratories around the world are reinventing what glass can be.
It is the most invisible material in the world. And perhaps that invisibility is its greatest achievement.
We have seen glass. We have understood glass. But have you ever truly listened to it? Of all the properties of glass, its strength, its smoothness, its chemical resistance, none is more extraordinary than its...
Every piece of glass you will ever touch began as a grain of sand. It passed through fire. The factory does not rest. The furnace does not sleep. Glass is always being made because we began this journey with a single grain of sand. Something ordinary, something invisible,